Whenever someone asks us where should we go in Thailand, the one place that always makes it on the list is Koh Phi Phi.
And to show you why, today we're going to be taking a private boat tour to uncover the magic that this part of the world has to offer.
Oh, and by the way, the total cost for this trip is going to blow your mind. The perfect day in paradise begins by getting picked up and hitting the open water with our guide and boat driver, Samaun. From our resort on the northern tip of Koh Phi Phi Don, it's about a 30-minute journey south towards the uninhabited island of Phi Phi Let. We are heading towards one of the most famous bays in the entire world, and it's so well protected, you're not even allowed to swim off of the beach.
Maya Bay, famous for the stunning green cliffs surrounding it, and that Leonardo DiCaprio movie from 2000. Today, the beach itself is heaving with tourists, day in, day out. So we opted to park up a few hundred meters out to see what could be found in those shimmering emerald waters.
The snorkeling here is just otherworldly. You have fish swimming literally an inch away from you sometimes, and there's tons and tons of them. And the water is just some of the clearest you will ever find. The beach on Maya Bay is also absolutely stunning. So if you're a big fan of the movie or you just haven't done it before, then it could be worth the entry fee. But for us, having already done it, we didn't need to do it again. Next up, we are heading around the back of Maya Bay to a place that is arguably just as, if not even more, out of this world. This place is just as busy as it was back in 2022 and also just as stunning. Whoa.
This place is, I'm mind blown yet again, seriously. I think you just see this in the movies, but it's actually real life. Right here, Pile Lagoon.
And this is not a swimming spot as such, this is just where the boat comes for 5 minutes for everyone to stop, get their Instagram photos in. It's just too busy with the boats to actually be safe to swim in. Do it for the gram! Do it!
A slightly choppy 20-minute journey brings us back to Phi Phi Don for a short pit stop on land, but not before navigating a maze of kayakers out on the water.
Alright, it is noon right now and our driver has dropped us in the main town of Tonsai here in Phi Phi to get some lunch. For most people arriving on the island, this is the first thing they'll see. A busy port town with a humongous array of food options. So we've been eating a lot of Thai food recently, twice, 3 times a day. We just fancied like a little bit of a break from that. Just like being back at home, we wouldn't only eat British food. So we just found this restaurant here does Mediterranean food and it does it really, really well by the looks of it. How does it taste?
Oh my god, unbelievable. The bread is so pillowy, so soft, and the hummus is so creamy. Delicious. And the salad is lemony, salty, fresh. It's hitting the spot right now.
That is the greatest sound in the world. I think our boat driver deserves a little bit of a gift. Tonsai town is next level crazy. You don't want to stay here for too long, unless you like this kind of thing. Now back to the boat because we have possibly our favourite stop coming up now. Cheers!
Cheers!
Samaun!
Samaun!
Best driver! Okay, we have a beer for the road, or for the ocean. This is officially the most epic day ever.
Leaving the port behind, our next stop was just a short 10-minute hop away.
Stop number 4 on our boat trip today is Monkey Beach, which as you can imagine is home to lots of tiny little primates and lots of tourists trying to get photos with them, myself included. It didn't go so great.
I'm in danger.
Lady's getting too close to the monkeys. They've just jumped on her head and they've started to bite her hair. She did not like that, but I mean, don't get too close. Just leave them be. Did you see that?
Did you see me?
No?
I almost got attacked.
Did you?
When we first got on the beach, we thought there were 2 of them, and now they're all the way up and down the beach. There must be about 20, a family of around 20 of them.
It's like a little family just kind of sitting over there just behind me, and it's like they're having a little meeting. It's so cute. Either that or they're having some food, some secret snacks.
That they stole from tourists. These guys are seriously ruthless. Some of the most vicious monkeys I think I've ever seen. If you make eye contact with them, it's over. Run.
So we've just taken a couple of Instagram pictures and now we are back looking at these cutie pie little monkeys. They honestly break my heart when they just sit there on their own, kind of like just watching the world go by, playing with the leaves, playing with the sand with their little hands. I wish I could trust them more, and I wish they didn't bite. I know it's humans' fault because they get too close and maybe the monkeys get scared, but I wish they didn't have a reputation of doing that, because I'd love to just cuddle one and like take one home because they're just so cute.
You take me home. I'm hairy as well. Sorry. Thankfully, we left Monkey Beach completely bite-free and headed back north to stop number 5. When we came to Phi Phi the first time, the weather was not on our side. It was constantly cloudy, even raining at times, so we couldn't really make the most of it, but we still absolutely fell in love with it. And today, the weather is absolutely unreal. It just feels like a redemption of last time. Our penultimate stop for the day, and I think our favourite beach ever.
Favourite beach ever.
Favourite beach ever.
Nui Beach, a tiny hidden gem tucked away to the north of the island, is a sandy cove that's perfect for escaping the crowds, with stunning views of limestone cliffs jutting out of the sea, one of which looks a lot like a camel. And of course, there's the crystal clear waters surrounding them. I've just seen a sea urchin. Whoa, don't want to be getting too close to that one.
What did you think of Nui Bay this time?
Oh, it was a different perspective this time because we actually were able to snorkel in the deep end, whereas last time we kind of parked up on the beach and mostly stayed on the beach and snorkeled through the shallower edge over there. So, just blown away as always. The water's amazing. It's so cool.
Yes, yacht party! Yes! I got a wave. Yes. This final stop is a new one for us. What's the name here?
Lana Bay.
Lana Bay.
Lana Bay, yeah.
So we're on the way back now, and there's loads of people snorkeling in the water over there. It's pretty quiet except for the occasional scream coming from one of the tourists that thinks it's a shark, but then it's actually just like a tassel from their life jacket. What an incredible way to spend a Wednesday or Thursday. I don't know, whatever day it is.
So incredible. I just love being in the water so much. I feel like a fish.
You sound like one too. And there we are back at our resort just 6 hours later on the really quiet part of Koh Phi Phi. Samaun. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Amazing. Guys, check this out. It's currently low tide and we're about 200 yards away from the beach and it's up to our ankles. It's that low right now. It's insane. Look, there's people walking all the way out there. The other thing that's really insane is the total cost of today. So you might think private boat, 2 people, this part of Thailand, upwards of a couple of $100s. In actual fact, $70 US per boat. So if you had more people, it would be even cheaper per person. For one of the most epic days you could have on this planet.
Ever.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.